white to move and win. So white has this pawn which is far advanced and this rook. Can you find the move? So the insane move is rook a6. Now this pawn is pinned, it cannot take this. Bishop cannot move because this is checkmate. So the and king cannot move also. So the only move available is taking the rook. If black takes the rook, then it's checkmate.